In the first course, we looked at why so many people are using Bitcoin as a new form of money because of the way it solved existing money problems. But, from a technological perspective, Bitcoin also solved a long-standing issue with digital money called the double spending problem. Double spending can simply be seen as a potential flaw in digital cash, whereby someone could be spending the same digital token more than once. This is because, unlike physical money, digital money can be forged or duplicated to be spent multiple times. Double spending is possible because a recipient can't tell whether funds spent have already been spent without involving a third-party verification service. For example, if you spend a $5 bill to buy a sandwich, you wouldn't be able to use that same bill to buy something else. But with digital money, you can double spend in many ways because digital money is simply a set of codes that can be copied, or have their transaction details falsified and sent to several recipients. You would need a third party to verify that this did not happen. Visa, PayPal, and MasterCard, who all provide digital payment services, put in lots of effort to verify transactions and prevent double spend attacks. And they are still vulnerable because their third-party verifier must be trusted and can still be compromised. Bitcoin, on the other hand, uses a consensus mechanism that verifies transactions with certainty, ensuring that the majority of users of the network must agree on the right information before permanently adding it to the records without needing to trust any one particular party. And to ensure that the correct information is added, the Bitcoin network rewards those who validate information correctly, giving them new units of Bitcoin. This process is called mining, and we have covered that in the previous course. To punish users who try to cheat the network and double spend, duplicated or fraudulent transactions are eliminated, and the fraudulent user is prevented from creating new information. Their efforts in doing so are also wiped out, meaning that they have lost money and time to try and cheat the network. The consensus mechanism used by Bitcoin is alternatively known as proof of work. We'll discuss this in the next lesson.